perfect tension. This scarf will be done by Tuesday.
I've been staring at the ceiling for 20 minutes. It's a good ceiling. Nice crack pattern. Like a river.
You're not doing anything?
I'm hobbying. Ceiling appreciation. Very niche.
That's not a hobby.
Why not? I'm enjoying my home. Isn't that the point?
Oh, this debate is going to challenge everything. Welcome back. Hello, beautiful humans. Welcome to Listen and Learn English Easy, where mistakes are experiments and every "I don't know what I'm doing" is just creativity happening. I'm Sarah, your host, home productivity enthusiast and person whose hobby shelf looks like a craft store exploded. Knitting, baking, watercolor, ukulele. I rotate every 2 weeks. Completion rate, approximately 12%.
Hi, I'm Leo. I have one hobby. Doing as little as possible. People call it lazy, wasting potential. But when I'm home, I breathe. I exist. I watch the light move across the floor. That's my hobby, being present.
But don't you want to make something, learn something, improve?
I am making something, Sarah. Peace. I'm learning to be. I'm improving at letting go. I used to hustle at home too. Side projects, online courses, optimization. Then I burned out. Couldn't get out of bed. Now my greatest achievement is not achieving. And I'm healing.
Oh, Leo, I fear that so much. The burnout, the stopping. So I keep moving, preventively. But maybe I'm just running from stillness?
Maybe. Or maybe you're running towards something beautiful. Just don't miss the beauty of arriving.
I don't know if I know how to arrive.
I can teach you. Gently.
Absolutely. Let the Home Hobby Showdown begin. But before we dive in, I need to ask you something real. Are you watching this from a home that feels like a second job? To-do lists, projects, shoulds? Or from a home that feels like a sanctuary, and you feel guilty for enjoying it? Home hobbies should restore us, but often they stress us. We're going to reclaim them.
So smash that like button. Help other home-confused humans find us.
Subscribe to Listen and Learn English Easy. We're building a home where doing and being both belong. When we hit 95,000, I'm spending a whole day doing Leo's nothing hobby, and he's trying my knitting.
2 sticks and string. The chaos. The expectations.
And you must finish at least 1 row.
For growth.
Most importantly, comment. Tell us, what home hobby restores you? What drains you? Do you create at home or consume peacefully? What's your guilty pleasure hobby you're secretly proud of?
Last week, someone admitted they collect napkin rings. Just because they're pretty. I celebrated that. Share your weird joy with us.
Our comment section is judgment-free. No productive pressure, no lazy shame. Only, this makes me feel alive, and me too. Join us. Okay, Leo. When I knit, I make something. Tangible. I can hold it, gift it, prove my time mattered. I transform yarn into warmth. That's magic.
But Sarah, while you count stitches, are you counting your breaths? Are you here or already planning the next project? When I sit with my tea and window, I'm nowhere else. The past can't reach me, the future can't demand. Just steam rising, birds passing, me, existing without earning. That's not nothing. That's everything we've forgotten how to be.
When I finish a scarf, I immediately feel empty. Need next project. Bigger. Better. I'm never arriving. Just departing for somewhere else.
Because making became proving, not enjoying. What if 1 row was enough? What if looking at yarn was hobby enough?
I don't know if I can, but I want to.
Can I tell you something shameful?
Please, this is safe.
My mother, she crafts. Quilts. Beautiful. Award-winning. She looks at my hobby and sees emptiness. Leo, you could be so talented. Why waste your gifts? I carried that. Years. Thought my stillness was failure. Sin. Then my nephew, 6 years old, visited. Saw me window watching. Sat beside me. Silent. 20 minutes. He said, Uncle Leo, your house feels safe. Like hugging without arms. My nothing made safety. That's not waste. That's gift.
Leo. Your nephew is wise, and your mother is wrong. You don't make quilts. You make sanctuary. Different art, equally necessary. And me? My grandmother? She knit through grief, war, everything. Her scarves are family heirlooms. I knit to be her, to honor her, but I forgot. She also sat, silently, present. I only copied her hands, not her heart.
So we both inherited hobbies. You pressure yours to honor, I released mine to survive. Both love, just different shapes.
Yes! Your nothing is ancestor to my something. She sat so I could make. You sit so others can breathe.
Can I teach you something? Home words hide expectations.
Yes, show me.
DIY. Do it yourself. Pride. Capability. But also obligation. You should improve your home. Constantly. And nest egg. Savings. Security. But nest itself, birds just sit in it. Rest. Hatch. No productivity, just being.
We commercialized Nest. Made it about money, not comfort.
And hobby from hobby horse, a child's toy. It was play, pretend, no outcome. When did hobby become hustle, side gig, monetizable? In Danish, Hygge. We know this, but specifically hjemlig, home coziness. Intentional unproductivity, proud of doing little.
Leo, you're teaching etymology and cultural resistance. Language stole our rest and sold it back as wellness. Did you see that? From I like staring at ceilings to deconstructing capitalist home ideology.
I didn't know I was radical in English. I thought I was just defending my couch.
That's the radical. Reclaiming rest as resistance. What if home needs both energies?
Both?
Making to express, being to restore, projects when energized, presence when depleted. Home as flexible sanctuary, not factory or prison.
Like breathing? Inhale, create, take in, do. Exhale, release, be, rest. You need both. Rhythm, not rule.
Yes! Leo, you're a philosopher of home.
And you're convertible. Admit it. You'll try one ceiling appreciation session.
1. No phone, no planning next project, just me and plaster.
I'll guide you. Gently. We'll start with 5 minutes. Baby stillness.
Let's capture Leo's emotional home vocabulary. Hjemlig, home coziness, intentional rest, Danish resistance. Sanctuary, safe space, not productive space, his gift. Arriving versus departing. Presence versus perpetual motion, our metaphor. Hobby horse, original play, pre-commercialization, etymological recovery.
And hug without arms, my nephew's poetry. My favorite lesson.
Perfect. Challenge. Comment with your guilty home hobby, the thing you love but hide. We celebrate it here. Now I want something real from you.
In the comments, tell us, what does your home need from you right now?
Productivity? Presence? Both? Neither? Do you craft to escape or express? What's your ceiling appreciation, your secret rest?
I was lazy for years. Now I'm healer. Your stillness is service. Your making is gift. Both holy.
And if your home feels like pressure right now, comment that. We'll send you permission to stop. Virtual tea, sealing appreciation, solidarity. You're not alone.
Subscribe! At 95,000, I knit one row. Sarah stares at ceiling. Live! The role reversal.
The vulnerability, the nothingness. But for integration. Leo, you came in defending nothing, and you taught me that stillness is creation too. How do you feel now?
I feel seen. Not lazy, not wasted, just necessary. And I said it in English.
You owned this language. You owned your sanctuary and permission for others to build theirs. Whether you're a maker or rester, knitter or ceiling gazer, you are perfect. Keep speaking your home truth.
Like this video if home confuses your heart. Subscribe to Listen and Learn English Easy for more permission to be at home. Comment your home hobby story. We read every one.
Next week, leaving home. Leo shares moving to find himself and returning to remember.
I traveled everywhere, running. Then I came back to this room, this window, and knew I wasn't running to, I was running from. This, here, enough.
I think I need to hear that journey, slowly.
We'll sit with it. No notes, just presence.
I'm learning. This is Sarah, signing off with a heart full of projects and presence.
And this is Leo, proudly still, proudly necessary.
Keep learning easy. See you next week.